In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your video camera and settings in Zoom. Whether you're hosting a meeting or attending one, adjusting your camera settings can significantly improve your experience and presentation. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zoom account. Make sure that your Zoom client is up to date to access the latest features and settings. Once you're logged in, you'll want to either join an existing meeting or start your own. This ensures that you have access to all of the video settings you'll need to configure. Once you're in the meeting, take a look at the bottom bar of your Zoom window. You'll see a little camera icon there labeled Start or Stop Video. Right next to it is a small upward-facing arrow. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This will bring up a menu that allows you to select different cameras that are connected to your computer. Under the section labeled Select a Camera, you'll see a list of all the cameras available to you. This could be your laptop's built-in camera, an external webcam, or even a virtual camera if you have that set up. Click on the camera you wish to use. Switching between cameras is seamless and will update your video feed almost instantaneously. Now, let's dive a bit deeper and explore the various video settings you can adjust to polish your presentation further. Click on the option labeled Video Settings in the menu we just opened. This brings up a new window packed with various customization options. Within the settings, you'll find options like Enabling HD, which gives you a clearer, sharp image, though it might use more bandwidth. You also have the option to mirror your video, which can make it feel more natural when you're showing something on screen. If you want to look a bit more polished, try the Touch Up My Appearance option. It subtly smooths out your image for a more professional look. Additionally, you can experiment with background effects. If your background isn't as neat as you'd like, consider using virtual backgrounds or background blurring to keep the focus on you and not what's behind you. These features are handy for maintaining a professional appearance, especially if you're working from a home environment. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, simply close the settings window. There's no need to save anything separately because all your changes are applied immediately and will be reflected in your current meeting. It's that straightforward. Updating your Zoom camera settings can truly enhance the way others perceive you in virtual meetings, making these easy adjustments well worth the effort. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you feel more confident managing your Zoom camera preferences in future meetings.